To become a 10x professional today, it's not enough to just use AI. You need to understand how to code with it. The real leverage comes when you combine basic coding skills with AI assistant development tools. So, how does GenAI actually write code? To truly unlock the power of code generation, you need to first understand how large language models or LLMs generate text, because the code generation is built on the same foundation, just with strict rules and structures. Large language models like ChatGPT and Word may seem magical, but they are just built using something called supervised learning. At their core, these models are trained on massive datasets to predict the text word in a sequence. For example, given a prompt like "I love coding," they complete it based on the patterns they have seen before. And that same prediction logic forms the foundation for how they generate code. LLMs learn by spotting patterns in billions lines of code, just like how they learn language. Instead of just words, they understand syntax, semantic, and common coding structures. So when you ask generate a login API in Python, the model predicts the next most likely tokens, like autocomplete, but way smarter. It doesn't really understand the code like a human. It mimics the pattern of good code it's seen before. Unlike text, code must follow strict syntax and logic. It's not enough for code to just look right. It has to be run. That's why code generation models are trained with special focus on structure, indentation, and error handlings. They are optimized not just for fluency, but for the functionality. How does an AI model write a code it's never seen before? Can it really understand coding? Or it is just guessing? Here is a trick. It hasn't seen your exact code, but it has seen millions of similar problems. So it stitches together familiar logic in a new combination, like a developer solving a new bug using a old knowledge. It's not memorizing, it's generalizing. Think of an AI model like a master chef. It's not just memorizing recipe. It's learned flavors, techniques, ingredients from thousands of dishes. So when you ask for something new, it doesn't follow a script. It creates a new dish using familiar patterns. That's generalization. And that's how AI writes codes never seen before. Newer models like O3-mini combine deep code pattern recognition with advanced language reasoning using chain of thought prompting. They break down complex tasks step by steps, try multiple strategies, and even self-correct when something looks off. That makes them incredibly powerful for debugging, review, and for improving large blocks of code. Unlike earlier models, they don't just complete code, they actually think through it. Now that you know how these powerful models think and code, get ready. We are diving into a future ready code series where you will learn how to generate smart, reliable code using GenAI step by step. This is the 10x coding with GenAI, and the future of coding starts now.